Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today's topic is relationship between total and marginal utility. Utility. Utility is a satisfaction derived from the use of a good or a service. People buy a commodity because it has a utility or a satisfaction. But no matter how much people love to buy a commodity, a time comes when they stop buying that commodity. For understanding a reason that why people stop buying a commodity after some time, we have to learn about the following concepts. Number 1 is total utility, number 2 marginal utility, and number 3 is zero utility. Total utility. Total amount of satisfaction which we get by consuming a commodity is known as total utility. For example, suppose a person consumes 3 apples. By consuming those 3 apples, whatever amount of satisfaction he gets is known as total utility. Marginal utility. Marginal utility is the utility or it is the rate of change in total utility. It is also known as utility of a last unit. For example, suppose a person eats 3 apples. Now the marginal utility of a person is utility derived by the consumption of a third apple. That is why we call it a utility of a last unit consumed. Zero utility. It means a consumer has no more desire to buy a commodity. His utility becomes maximum at this point. So he don't want to buy a commodity or he don't want to consume a commodity anymore. This is known as zero utility. Look at the table first. When consumer is consuming nothing, his utilities are zero or nil. When a person consumes a first apple, his total utility is 8. The satisfaction he derived from the consumption of a first apple is 8. His previous utility is nil because he consumed nothing. So, marginal utility of a first apple is total utility of a first apple minus previous utility, that is 0. So, 8 minus 0 equals to 8. When he gets a second apple, his utility becomes 14. Now, the marginal utility of second apple is total utility of second apple minus total utility of first apple. That is 14 minus 8 equals to 6. Likewise, when he takes a third apple, his total utility increases to 18. His marginal utility of third apple will be total utility of third apple minus total utility of second apple, that is 18 minus 14 equals to 4. At fourth apple, his total utility will be 20. Now, marginal utility of fourth apple will be total utility of fourth apple minus total utility of third apple, that is 20 minus 18 equals to 2. At fifth apple, his total utility is 20. Now, marginal utility of a fifth apple is total utility of a fifth apple minus total utility of a fourth apple, that is 20 minus 20 equals to 0. Here it is known as zero utility. Consumer reaches at the maximum position. From here he don't want to consume any more of a commodity. But still, if he is made to consume a sixth apple, his total utility decreases, that is 18. Now, the marginal utility of a sixth apple will be total utility of a sixth apple minus total utility of a fifth apple, that is 18 minus 20 equals to minus 2. So mathematically, we derive marginal utility with the help of this formula. Marginal utility mu equals to tu n minus tu n minus 1. Here mu is marginal utility, tu is total utility, n is a present unit, means the unit which is to be asked, and n minus 1 is a previous unit. Suppose if we want to find out the marginal utility of fourth unit, we use the above formula. Here 4th will be the n unit and 3 will be n minus 1 unit, that is previous unit. Marginal utility of 4th unit equals to total utility of 4th unit minus total utility of 3rd unit, that is 20 minus 18. 20 minus 18 equals to 2. So marginal utility of 4th unit is 2. This is how we derive marginal utility. Relationship between total and marginal utility. Marginal utility is found from total utility. You can see in the table, we get the column of marginal utility with the help of total utility. We find marginal utility from total utility. Secondly, marginal utility is the rate of change in total utility. It is clearly indicated in the table. Marginal utility column indicates that how much there occurs a change in total utility. If total utility increases, marginal utility remains positive. You can see when total utility increases from 8 to 14, 14 to 18, 18 to 20, marginal utility no doubt decreases but remains positive. That is 8, 6, 4 and 2. Fourth point, when total utility is maximum, marginal utility is 0. That is, when total utility at 4th and 5th unit gets maximum, that is 20, marginal utility becomes 0. And lastly, when total utility decreases, marginal utility is negative. That is, total utility decreases to 18, marginal utility becomes minus 2, which is negative. We can present this relationship with the help of a graph also. You can see in the graph, utilities are plotted on y-axis. Consumption of apple is plotted on x-axis. So commodities we always take on x-axis and utilities we always take on y-axis. Now let's see. When a consumer consumes a first apple, his total utility is 8. And when total utility is 8, his marginal utility is also 8. Now, when total increases to 14, here it is. Marginal is 6. You can see when he consumes a second apple, his total increases to 14 and his marginal decreases to 6. Now, when he consumes a third apple, his total utility is 18. And when his total is 18, his marginal is 4. At fourth apple, his total utility is 20. When total utility is 20, marginal is 2. Now, at fifth apple, his total utility is again 20. It indicates that he reaches to maximum. At fifth apple, his marginal utility is 0. At sixth apple, total utility decreases from 20 to 18. And when total decreases, marginal becomes negative, that is minus 2. Now by joining these points, we get the curves. Here this curve is known as total utility curve. And by joining these points, we get a curve. That curve is known as marginal utility curve. Total utility curve increases, marginal decreases but remains positive. Total reaches to maximum, marginal becomes 0. When total decreases, marginal becomes negative. This is the relationship between total and marginal utility, which is presented graphically. We present this relationship in a single graph also. Here it is. You can see in this graph also that When total is 8, marginal is also 8. When total is 14, here it is 14, marginal is 6. When total is 18, marginal is 4. When total is 20, marginal is 2. Here it is 20, marginal is 2. When total is again 20 at fifth unit, marginal is 0. And when total is 18, marginal is minus 2. Here it is. So by joining these points, we get a curve known as total utility curve. And by joining these points, we get a curve that is known as marginal utility curve. Same relationship is presented over here also. Total increases, marginal decreases, but remains in the same quadrant. Total reaches to maximum, marginal is 0. And when total decreases, marginal becomes negative. This is all for today, girls. May Allah Pak bless you all. Till next lecture, enjoy yourselves. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.